Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the title page for a student paper in APA Style 7th edition using Microsoft Word. The first thing you should do with any paper is save it. This document has already been saved. I gave it a title that I'm going to be able to remember, and I've saved it to a location where I'm going to be able to find it later. These are important steps. The next thing you should do after saving the paper is go to View and reveal the ruler. Click next to Ruler. Now you'll see a ruler along the top of your paper and along the left-hand side of the paper. I keep the ruler open all the time when I'm using Microsoft Word. I find it helpful, and it's going to help us to format this document as we go through this process. Next, go to Layout. And here we just want to verify that the margins are all 1 inch on each side. So go to Margins, and if you click Normal, it'll give you margins that are 1 inch at the top, bottom, and both sides. Once you've adjusted the margins, go to Home. In Home, you're going to go over here to Styles, and then click this little call out button here in the Styles section. It's going to open up the Styles pane. In the Styles pane, we're going to modify one of the built-in styles in the default Microsoft Word document. We're going to modify the normal style, so go to Normal, and click the downward facing arrow, and click Modify. Now, the normal style is the style for default text throughout the entire document in Microsoft Word. We're going to adjust the normal style so that it matches more closely to what's required in APA style. So, for example, we're going to change the font. Instead of Calibri, we're going to use Times New Roman. APA doesn't say that you have to use Times New Roman, but it's a good font to use because it is one of the recommended fonts that APA mentions. It's also a font that teachers are very used to seeing, so if you're writing for school, it's kind of a safe bet that your teacher will think it just looks normal. And you usually want your paper to look normal to your teacher. Now we're going to adjust the size up to size 12. Size 11 Times New Roman is pretty small. Size 12 is about as big as you can make it without people asking you questions or wondering if you're trying to cheat and puff up the paper and make it longer. In APA style, you should align the text to the left, so click this box if it's not already clicked. You should also be using double-spaced text in APA style, so click this icon here. Then go to Format. We want our default text to have no spaces between paragraphs of the same style, so we're going to click this checkbox. And just to be safe, I'm going to remove this spacing too. I don't want any extra spaces besides the default double spacing, which I do want. I don't want any of the other extra spacing between paragraphs in this document. All right, I'm going to click OK, and then click OK again. And now we've adjusted the normal style. That means the default text is good to go. So let's start adding text to our document. The first place we're going to do that is in the header. Go up to the very, very top of the page and double click to open up the header. In the header, we're going to insert a page number. There are several ways to do that in Microsoft Word. The way that I'm about to show you is the way that has given me the least amount of trouble. I'm going to go to Home. I'm going to take the text and align it to the right using this. All right, it's over here on the right. Now I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Insert, Page Number, Current Position, Plain Number. All right, you click that, and there's your page number. Now Microsoft Word is going to automatically number all of the pages in your document. After inserting the page number, get out of the header. To do that, just double click on the main document. Okay, now we're going to insert 4 paragraph breaks, 4 double-spaced paragraph breaks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the line where we're going to insert our title. To insert a title, go to Home, center the text on the page, and make that text bold. You want your title to be bold. Now let's type up a title. Okay, now that we've typed the title, we're going to make the text not bold. Now the title is going to stay bold, but we don't want the following text to be bold. All right, now insert 2 paragraph breaks, 1, 2, and type your name. Another paragraph break. Now type the department in which you are studying, and then the school at which you are taking classes. It should look like this. Department, followed by a comma, followed by the name of the school. This can be a university, a college, or a high school. Insert another paragraph break. Now write the title of the class. Another paragraph break and write the name of your professor, or if you're in high school, the name of your teacher. Another paragraph break and the date. Okay, now this is the end of the title page. So I'm going to insert a page break right here. That's going to create an automatic jump down to the next page. You can see that our first page was titled 1, our first page was numbered 1 automatically. The second page is numbered 2 automatically because we inserted page numbers correctly. Now this is where you would begin writing the body of your paper. So come back in the next video and I will show you how to set up the body of your paper in APA style. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more help with your writing, I've put a link to my website in the video description below, and you can get a hold of me there.